Defrosted Home by Julius Taminiau, Architects in London, United Kingdom. In the words of Goethe, architecture has been likened to frozen music, a notion that didn't resonate with me. To me, architecture is not a static entity, it is dynamic and ever-evolving. Upon entering a building, one embarks on a journey, moving through spaces where light and shadow change constantly. Even the building can be moved by opening a door or window. In this refurbishment project for artists Rosie Lowe and Jacob Hopewell, we explored enhancing this dynamism. Consider the possibilities of creating spaces through movable walls, adjusting light with sliding doors and walls, and transforming room functions with flexible furniture or adaptable floors. The aim was to make architecture more fluid, like music. The result is a multifunctional architectural instrument, symbolically crafted from wood, capable of composing spaces, concealing or revealing them, manipulating light, and altering the very purpose of an area, making the most out of a relatively small area. The former workshop, lacking an external connection, led us to create an indoor patio crowned with a substantial openable skylight. This space, featuring pebbles from the client's birthplace Devon, not only brings an outdoor feel inside but also adds an intimate touch, contributing to the sense of a home for our clients.